So for me, where this technique really shines is in a scenario like this here, where I'm fishing any kind of edge. In this case, there's a hyacinth edge here as well. And what it does is, it's just got a phenomenal wobble action because of the shape of it, that round sort of cylindrical shape and that forked tail. It's just got an incredible wobble as it goes down, and the plastic itself is a very nice density, so that gives me actually got a very good fall rate. It's got a wonderful fall rate, so it's not like you're casting it out and you have to wait forever for it to start to get down there. Hits the water and it starts to go down immediately. It's got a shimmy, it's got action to it, looks really nice. It's got the pop of the tail as well. So for me, very nice sort of visual presentation bait. And what I'm trying to do, instead of banging a punch rig in there or a Texas rig in there, I'm trying to catch fish that are underneath that canopy of vegetation and are suspended. So as that Fluke Stick Jr is doing its thing, wobbling on the way down, you know, it's quite deep here at the moment, 12 foot. So I've got approximately 12 foot underneath here. It's going to take some time for that bait to wobble its way down there. But those fish could be suspended in that first foot underneath that mat. They could be 2-3 foot down. You know, it takes me 2 or 3 seconds and I'm down to the depth that they want to be. It's not like a Texas rig where you pitch it in there and it's flying straight to the bottom. So I'm relying on the fish to either react to it and swim after it, or I'm relying on the fact that those fish are closer to the bottom. So I think it's just a very good technique to have in your repertoire, so that you've got that option for you, where those fish have got time, they see the bait land, it hovers down past them, and they can just shoot out and eat it. I think there's a lot of benefit to it, and it's proof so today. I've caught probably 25 fish today. I'm running out of baits. But yeah, it really has been successful. Like I say, I haven't managed to connect with a big fish yet. That's just unfortunate. But I'm pretty sure I'll get one. If not today, sometime soon, because it's a really effective bait, and it's proven so, like I say, today. Oh, look at that fish, boys. Unreal. Okay, second cast of the morning. That's a good start, let's be honest. Oh, he's got some attitude. Looks like he's a good one. Oh dear. That's not where you want them. There you go. Come out the tree, big boy. That's a solid fish, eh? What a great way to start the morning. There's it. Look at that. That will do the job. Second cast of the morning. Nice fish. Very good, very good. That's how we like to start the day, boys. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's in the tree. It feels pretty good, eh? Feels pretty good. No. Just felt pretty good because he was behind the tree, but it's another one. A couple of meters down the stretch. Is it? There we go. Another one. I'd like it to be a bit bigger, but it's okay. Still fish. Getting there. Slowly. There we go. Oh, that feels heavy. There's a good one. There's a good one. I just went sideways on me, not bad. Smoked that thing. Nice. Another one. There you go, boys. Very good. Nice fish. There we go. Small guy. They're loving it. Just got to get around the right size fish. Settle down. Be big. No. Smallest of the lot. Oh, that was a giant. That was a giant. These hooks are incredibly slick with this Teflon coating. Makes for a really good smooth hook penetration. And also what you'll notice is the section here at the top by the eye of the hook is extended, so it's longer. And that really helps with keeping your bait pinned, and very importantly the lifespan of your plastic, because you've got more plastic above the bend of the hook, so it's thicker rather than thinner. Thinner tears easily, thicker not so much. So some good durability there. The 3/0 fits perfectly into this Fluke Stick Jr. Just rig that just like that, nice and straight and weedless. There's the guy there. Switching to green pumpkin color now. Going to fish a little bit dirtier water for a while, so I'm going to go darker on the color. And the key element is this tail right here, so I'm going to just spice this tail up a bit here. Bit of chartreuse, get my Zoom marker pen. I'm going to make that tail section pop, because that's really why I'm fishing this bait. I want that bit of tail, that forked tail, to stand out in the water. So I'm going to make that thing pop right there. It's basically a Senko with a fluke tail, best of both. So that's nice. Just tuck that away. Weightless, ready to go. No waves. Oh my gosh, immediately, first cast. That's crazy. There's some evidence there, boys. This one's also unfortunately got it down. Absolutely inhaled it, so we've got to get that out gently as well. Pop it at the top. Job done. Little guy. Off he goes. Oh, here's a fish. Come on, boys, we've got to get some bigger ones, man. Settle down. Like I say, that section there is not torn. It's got that extra, that hook's got the extra bit of length there at the top. Oh, here he is. Be big. No, I lost my bait. Absolutely hammering fish, I'll tell you that. I'm just yet to get that giant. Come on. Oh, gosh, this thing's prolific. Just not getting around the right fish. So if you want to have fun, this is the deal. There we go. Yes, unreal, another one. A bit more of a chunker. Like I said, boys, this thing is wild. Absolutely wild. Come on. Yes, this boys. Come on, be big. It's alright. Another one. So this is the Zoom Fluke Stick Jr. It's a phenomenal bait. Really good on a weightless presentation. I've had an incredible day today fishing. I've caught so many fish that it would be a really boring video if I just had to show you repetitive fish catches. I've had a couple of unlucky breaks today as well. Snapped up on 2 fish. That's just the way it is. Fishing 12-pound fluorocarbon around those laydowns and in that scenario there, and unfortunately snapped off. But nevertheless, this thing has really impressed me today. And basically what it is, it's a 5-inch Senko type bait with a fluke tail. So it's kind of the best of both. It really is magnificent, and it's proven so today. I haven't fished him a lot at all, and I thought, well, let me give it a crack today and see what it can do. I think this will also be a phenomenal bait for if you're taking out inexperienced anglers, beginners, whether you're fishing off the bank as well. It's just a very easy presentation. It's a weightless presentation. You've got your 3/0 hook in there, you cast it out and you let it sink down, and the fish just eat it, you know. 2 predominant colors that I fished today was the watermelon red in cleaner water, and when I went to slightly stained water, I went with a green pumpkin. I've also got a Zoom marker pen in a chartreuse color. It really makes that forked tail pop, so I like that. Setup wise, guys, I'm fishing a Verto 7-2M. It's a 7'2" medium action Verto rod. It's an incredible rod for this weightless technique. If you're throwing a weightless fluke or weightless Senko, and now this Fluke Stick Jr, as they call it, and this Fluke Stick is 5 inches long. Well, Fluke Stick Jr, like I say. So it's called the Fluke Stick Jr because it's a size bigger than this, but this 5-inch deal is really nice. And like I say, that weightless technique is a very user-friendly technique in my opinion. So give it a crack. If you are taking people with you that haven't fished before, tie one of these things on. It's just a phenomenal alternative to a fluke or a Senko. It's kind of the best of both, and it definitely catches fish. So I thought, let me just share that with you guys today. So that's my story there. As I mentioned, 12-pound fluorocarbon, 7'2" medium length rod, and it's doing the job. Fish on. Small one. Nuts. Oh. There's a better one, isn't it? Oh! Finally hook a good one and it comes off. Yep, it's life, eh? Right in that gap there, as it went down. Oh! There we go. That's a good one. Nice fish. Things just keeps producing. This bait is freaking ridiculous. Come on. Come on, be big. No. There we go. There we go. There's a better one, boys. Persistence, confidence. That's what it takes. Stay pinned, baby. Nice fish. There we go. I knew I'd get a good one. Nice. It's not a giant, but it's solid. Nice, but nice. Very nice. Same deal, guys. On that edge. As I lost sight of that bait, as it was kind of going out of my vision, you go, dog. What I mean to say was, I watched the bait sinking. I can obviously see that chartreuse tip, you know, on the tail. So it's kind of like my guideline. And as it gets to that zone where I just can't see it anymore, I just watched him just come on, chow that thing. Oh yes, another one. It's just crazy. There you go. How's that? Just let it sink. Come on, be big. That's alright. She's right on those rocks there. You can get a good view of that through the lens, but check out the FishTec chart. Just let it go down. Where is your great grandmother, bud? Oh, just crazy, dude. My last watermelon red soldier. Right, down to the last three. Green pumpkin, watermelon red is done. Oh! In the tree there. That's alright, not too bad. There you go, another one. There you go. Come on. Crazy stuff. Down to the last two. Oh, watch them eat it. Another one. This thing is just nuts. Absolutely crazy. Honestly. Yeah. Just shot out and shot it. Oh. Come on. There's a fish. There's a fish, boys. That's much better. There you go. Just got to get around the good ones. Just got to get around the good ones. There we go. Much better. Much better. Look at that. Now we're talking. Go, boys. Much better. Look at that. Scoffed it. Yeah. You go, dog. Nice. Oh. There we go. Oh. Just endless. Absolutely crazy. Sure. It's just crazy. Cheers, dude. Right, I think this sack is not tickets. Yeah. That's not gonna make it, boys. Right. Last one. Last one. That's 2 packs done. Pack of watermelon red. Pack of green pumpkin. Yes, just unreal. Absolutely unreal. This could be the last one of the day. It's got me all tangled here. Got some laugh here. Got some laugh here, boys. Got some laugh. There you go. Oh, I missed him. I missed him, and that's that, boys. What an incredible day on that bait. That's all she wrote. Fluke Stick Jr. Out. Incredible bait. Absolutely hoovered them out today, boys. Zoom Fluke Stick Jr. Got to give that a try. That thing is just a fish catching machine.